So we made a wreath by putting two pieces of paper together. Like we put one like this and then one a little bit farther out like this. And then we put popsicle sticks here and here, and then we put like straight across, and then we put two across here, 1, 2. We put a pipe cleaner, and then we put another piece of paper on the top, just like the bottom one, we put another piece of paper on the bottom, just like the top one, where we made it like this. And then we put a paper clip and unload. We glued a paper clip on the bottom, and then we covered the whole bottom with glue, so that way it would make it more stiff. And then we did that because it would make it more stiff, it would be stronger, and it could hold more weight.